Hello guys, once again welcome to Achimota Farms, and today, as I told you guys, I am at the International World Expo and showing you guys the innovative way of farming. I told you this year we are innovating in Africa, and that is the only way to keep ourselves in the game, guys. Today, as I'm walking around, I've come across an organization that I think you guys need to know about and spread the word. So this video, I want you guys to share it to your friends, to Facebook, talk about it, because I believe in what you're doing, and I want to be able to talk to Terry, yeah, I want to be able to talk to Terry for her to share the story behind this organization and what you're doing on the continent of Africa to help other farmers like you and myself. So Terry, welcome to Farming in African Channel.
Thank you.
And basically on this channel we talk about innovative way of farming in Africa, and I see that you're doing something amazing, tremendous. So tell us, what is this company about?
Well, Farms2 is a company that we want to make a difference by giving people the tools that they need to farm.
Exactly.
And as Frederick, my new friend Frederick here was mentioning, how that people don't have that knowledge, and then sometimes they grow things that they can't eat.
Yeah.
And so we want to Farms2, the model of Farms2. They go in, we're involved in a number of countries in Africa, in the Philippines, in Sudan, also in Cuba, and even in the U.S. now, because they need to know that too. But we go in and train local people to be trainers, and we go over the course of a year and train how to farm, and then we add incentives.
Okay.
So in a village, for example, after someone has practiced some of the things that they've learned, then they would be eligible to get subsidized seed.
Yeah.
After enough of the, they can become Farms2 certified after they look at public health issues in the village, like sanitation or water, and then they would be eligible at when 75% of the village is certified, they would be eligible to request a well, and we think that just makes it more sustainable.
Yeah.
So anyway, best of luck to all of you new farmers out there.
Yeah.
And if there's any ways that we can help you, we would like to. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you very, very much. And I know people are excited about your journey and the story that you're creating. Guys, this is amazing. And if you can picture yourself in there, maybe you're living in the US, you're an African, or you're living in the city and you think that, what you're doing is small. Take yourself back to your village, because I take myself back to my village, and my mom, after farming, has to, sit by the roadside for hours waiting for a truck to come and pick his goods and firewood back to the town. Right? What they've actually done was to come together and sponsor farmers with transportation so that they can bring their goods to the market. Right? That contribution alone helps me relate to them. Right? So a little bit of everything that we do to support the farming business can change somebody's life, can impact a family. Right? And that's why I'm so, as you guys can see, passionate and enthusiastic about what you're doing, and it's just amazing. Go out and check it out. It's called Farms2. Google it right now. Share this video with your friends, guys. I just randomly, met them, but I so relate to the mission of what we are trying to do here, and I want you guys to go ahead and check them out. If you can support, do, and hopefully we can spread it across more African countries, and not only in Sudan and in Philippines. So I'm gonna get their contact as well. If you have any information or any details that you want me to reach out, please let me know right in the comment below. But I think this is one of the amazing things I've seen in this trade show, and I wanted to share it with you guys. I know you guys are passionate about farming. Slowly, every contribution counts, and I know we're gonna get there. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video next week.